If you're looking for something naturally sweet, filling, and fridge friendly, these lemon date bars are for you. They're no bake, pantry friendly, and easy to customize. Let me show you how they come together. Hi friend, come on in. These lemon date bars are what I make when I want something sweet, satisfying, but not too sugary. These bars are quick to make and they hold up beautifully in the fridge or freezer. I'm working with a very small food processor here, so I will have to divide up my ingredients to get this to work. In order to not overwhelm the motor on my mini food processor, I need to add nuts and dates together. The nuts keep the dates from clumping. If you're using a large food processor, add all the dates and almonds together. Once I have everything processed into fine pieces, I want to get this in a bowl and stir in the coconut as well as season with a pinch of salt and add in my zest and the lemon juice. You can do all this in the food processor if you have space, but either way works. If your mixture feels too dry and crumbly, add a bit of lemon juice or water, a teaspoon at a time. If it feels too wet, add a little more coconut to balance it out. These bars can be customized by using different nuts, fruit juices, or dried fruit. Try swapping the almonds for cashews. Use orange or lime juice instead of lemon, or add raisins, dried cranberries, or apricots. Even the difference between toasted nuts and raw nuts will make a difference. Toasted nuts will give you a richer flavor, while raw nuts let the lemon shine through. If you're a coconut lover, try sprinkling some extra coconut on the bottom of your pan before pressing in the mixture. This makes it easier to remove the bars later. I skipped that this time, and you'll see me struggle with that first piece. Press the mixture firmly into a pan. The pressure helps hold the bars together so they don't fall apart. I like to keep this chilled, but it could be frozen as well. I'd chill, then cut it into squares or bars before packing it into a container to make for easier single portion servings. These are a great pantry-friendly year-round snack, lightly sweet, full of fiber from the dates and coconut, and with some protein from the nuts. If you like real food snacks that don't feel heavy or overly sweet, give these a try. These lemon date bars are perfect when you want something sweet without turning on the oven. If you like simple recipes made from pantry staples and seasonal ingredients, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're making this later, save the video so you can come back when you're ready to cook. Thanks for hanging out with me today.